Hadian ke jingyaap kimi linti kipai dunget hakeleng ke jela pat ki babun balang ya ke jingwan poi kamet jong Reverend Archbishop Dominic Jala SDBDD bula khlat no kendit ha ke jingja ya tekuk kali ha California USA kebelaja men ha ke spotrik mentau benai hari Amerika bat karbai tarik kat kem kapor kari India na kaliang uling do na yingsa Archbishop ufada Jimmy Marngar balong ru Protem Chancellor bat kinong yang balang kelapan benapat ba mentara sengi ning ba kelak thai kebor waya kamet Reverend Archbishop Dominic Jala on sala on penpoi no syari India ha ka aphol tarik mentau benai ling ba keling sun ke ban wan kit bat penpoi ha Guwahati airport ha kepor Arsausan janmit bat nang ni keling do bat kinang ilam ke Shillong Archdiocese kin salit ban shimti bat an penrung shwa ha ka yingsa provincial ka Guwahati province ke badai ke jaka bola treiru ha kepor baladep kamu provincial bat ukli do ka province Hang ni kan sadan shwa da kemas bukhoi. Bat hadian kemas bat kejingliat niam bat buram khaddo on beteng bat kejingliat lenti bandrung hakikat tu kat ni ki parish ki badan hari bahit distrik. Keban sedang shwa na banihat parish da kejingliat buram lingkot bat kejingduai bat beteng kejingliat lenti sa hanong po parish bat penkot pat hakathan ni bhai ha umsning parish. Nang ni on sawan penkit no ha maulai parish ka badai ka parish trai jungu. Ya kebalak ha bat he bat san ha kini ka parish. Jang ka maulai put mori. Hang ni kan sadan biang kemas bukhut na kebentar ki pai donget ke parish ki banlek buram khaddu yu bat on sara apat haying kemi kepada marjan baka parishi ban pensa shimin kum sibenta kadak jong ka long rinjeng bol ayo na kini kalong yeng longsam banjadar ringkat lang di kiman ki para ki bahaying basam bat ki bait bathon hagsim bobot pat kata ka at phawai tarik on penkit no ya kamat saying maniba lajum khra bat on bu hadu banadai ke singile buram khaddu ni singi ontap na kebentar kipai dunget bikin yok lat berwan jengok bat duai kepang na kebentar ke mensim uni ukli nong ilam kabalang keban sedang na kemas berkoi ha kepor si beji na phai singi ha kesnitem na kaleng ba banabas nong ba ula pentip ru ba on nyale kat bala ban ailat di kipai dunget bat kipai baro bikin yok lat ben simta ha keban yok kmi hajan ke jakatep yo Archbishop bat kemba julong ban yok simta na kebentar ban bread yo kendo ha ke jakatep kebala pen krek kepang ha senda kayung maniba lai dum kra.
As of now, we are confirmed with the arrival of the mortal remains of our Archbishop, and it will arrive in Guwahati Airport on Sunday, the 20th of this month, October, at 2:45 p.m. Then, when we go and receive the body, then on the way to Shillong, there are a few places that we will enter for this final journey of the mortal remains of our Archbishop. First of all, it will be taken to Guwahati Provincial House. They will have Mass there, Eucharist, maybe 45 minutes. Then from Provincial House, we will proceed to Bernihat Parish. A few minutes will enter in the parish. Then to Nongpo Parish, Umsning Parish, and finally towards Shillong, we will enter in Maulai Parish, and then the mortal remain will be kept in the house of our late Archbishop, his family members, his brothers, sisters there. So when we reach Maulai, there will be most probably be around 10 o'clock in the evening or a night. Then we will have the Mass or Holy Eucharist in the parish of Maulai. Then on the 21st of this month, October, around 6 o'clock, we will be taking the mortal remains of our Archbishop to the hospital, to Nazareth, for a few dressing up. Then we will bring back the body to the Cathedral of Mary Help of Christians. So we hope by 9 o'clock or latest by 10 morning of the 21st of October, that is Monday, we will be able to keep the mortal remains of our Archbishop in the cathedral. So this is to allow the faithful, all the people, well-wishers and friends to come and pay the last homage and respect to our Archbishop. Then the funeral will take place on Wednesday, the 23rd October 2019 at Cathedral of Mary Hope of Christians, Layum Kra. So this is the program that we have arranged. Now I will say Kasi. Kemudian Archbishop Dominic Jala kan sapoi Guwahati Airport haka Simplay kata haka Arputarik untuk benahi haka por R Sapusan Janmir or no IC. Haka diglantian bakaduk jeung Archbishop na airport in sapunrung ha Don Bosco Provincial House Guwahati sedang kejing duai kejing pulih mas nak bentai Archbishop nang tuan sa wan sya bernihat sarung untuk kendiat anong po ang Muslim but and sa pendrung hamulai parish and sa penlong kecing pulih mas ni antan belum melakapor Shipho Buji hakapor mir tila lagi po iswa kataru kan simule but ka medjung Archbishop kan sa samir hayen jong yang kami mo antu in sa tu simit but haka arpoi trik dan step and sarayi sya hospital na bentaban pet ki jingdon kam bahasa but sawanra apo cathedral jong gamariang wa Kristen jing maneba ang ne apo cathedral Layum Kra ti kejing lejon tep bi Archbishop kan long haka apolai trik kata Wednesday mo kata balang haka por Shibaji no IC haka Shibaji no IC abadai bakkan ngut ke bishop kin poi ti yang mentang yang pala ban ong iki exact number iki number di papiang mo nama nidang pha menta ka sini iki information jing tip si bishop pair jong dari India sepo no di India mo kan hadu la syai ni la trai ban ai number kan ngut ila ban poi ki bishop mo ti kenahi sabon dai bishop kibawan na sebab jong ka Northeast India funeral day ngindon ka mas apo yang maniba untuk Shibaji thik in sedang jadi dengan mas kan sebut pat kijin le buron kijin ajing kren mo kijin ai khulai khadu lagi kunhon paper mo di kanong kita na kalian jong kabalan bede begini ila lang rengkan kat ka jingerap lagi Meghalaya Police bahkan don ka escort atau konvoy di bila bembet di kham penia bisa nang tembeng kham hadir mano bantai kullu berempat tertia no
menne gila ya siang bentar na sulit SP udah workout ika route bat kiwe bali ke jaka parking lu habis ni laptop sebalang so the routes from traveling from Guwahati to Shillong and on the day parking lots on the day of the burial has already been worked out by the SP office, SP traffic. He was here, we just met him. He's working out the list and he assured us that he will be giving you a press release which will be today or tomorrow at the earliest. They have already done their homework, they have already identified their places and they are the right people who will be able to give us the information, and I'm quite sure the public also would like to know the parking areas for their convenience. In Island dia baru kaki pai baga ki ko aban berkendo kan dia betala ma namara ka jinglan yang kalau apa imane di tu various station ya update apa imane bagi labu ki provision ko mau menit digali di screen light digali di screen labu ki pai ba ki ni jinglan yang dengi baradin ka jinglan yang abang layu ngin Island dia baru pai ba kat ki bakwa ada kalau kamien kan nor inalan baru ki pai ba begini yo bentalang haga ne ka jinglan on tapi Archbishop Baranggulam ni